What's the meaning of agro-industry? Agro-industry. 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 Agro-industry refers to the sector of the economy that involves the production, processing and distribution of agricultural products. It is a vital component in many countries' economies and provides employment opportunities for millions of people worldwide. The agro-industry plays a crucial role in meeting the global demand for food and other agricultural products, while also contributing significantly to economic growth. Additionally, the agro-industry can have environmental impacts, both positive and negative, depending on how it is managed. Overall, the agro-industry is a complex and important sector that touches on various aspects of society and the economy.